Nithyanandam, this is my nithyananda. So today we are going to be speaking about gratitude. How this gratitude, forgiveness, how it makes us life so big. How and why we should forgive anybody. They do so much bad and we say we forgive them and forget them, and that makes it so much better and life becomes so beautiful. How is that? What is actually happening? Swami says beautifully what we are talking. We are the first listener. Beware of that. Why is he saying that? The more we listen to ourselves and more positive thoughts we are thinking, and we are going to be generating our life like that. It's just our life we are enhancing. We are not giving any power to anybody by giving them the forgiveness and taking back our space. We just restoring our space of happiness and gratitude to the cosmos for living such a beautiful life. Yes, they did harm to you, blame you, complain, and you feel so ashamed, you feel so guilty, you feel so bad, all kinds of feelings because they did this to you. Now is the time to go back, look at it, and just drop it and forgive yourself, not them. Forgive yourself from that clutch. Unclutching from this. Teach the kids when the sibling goes and complains, teacher complains, their principal complains, and so many people are complaining that they are doing this, that to them. Teach them to forgive themselves from that clutch and have a beautiful space. That way the kids will learn from the start to enjoy that beautiful space of having a understanding that their life is more important. Their cognition about themselves has to be positive. This lessons kids learning will create a huge positiveness in them, which will create a beautiful life for them. Thank you, Nithyananda.